All right, hey guys, Mr. Kyle, Myers Mathematics, and let's jump into it. We need to turn these numbers into numbers that are in scientific notation. So let's go ahead and jump into that. We're going to take this number and turn it into scientific notation. That is a 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros behind it. And if there is no visible decimal place, it's at the end of the number on the far right side after that last digit. So that's where it is, and we need to move it over until we have a number that's between 1 and 10. So it could be equal to 1, and it could go all the way up to but not include 10. It's got to be a one-digit number. So 1 is a one-digit number, but 10 is not, so we need it to be between 1 and 10. So 1 space, still too big. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're at 20. 6 spaces, and now that's a 2 if I move the decimal place all the way over. So that needs to move 6 spaces. If I move the decimal place 6 spaces, now this is a 2. And I times it by 10 to the 6th power. So the way to remember which way to go is there's a couple different ways to do it. You can go to the left and then say that left is when you make a positive and right is a negative. I like to just think of it as, okay, so 2 with 6 zeros behind it is a big number. If it's a big number, then it's going to have a big power. 10 to the negative 6 is a very small number. 10 to the 6th power is a big number. So it's got to have the big number. This one's a little different because it already is almost in scientific, but just not quite. What we need to do is we need to move the decimal place over only 1 space so that it now is 7.1. And because I'm still moving it to the left, I would make the power larger. That's only 1 space, but that's 1 space. So times 10 to the 1st power if I was just changing 71 into scientific notation, right? But I'm not. I'm also changing the other part as well. So that part is in there too. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. There we go. So the 10 here is because I'm changing 71 into 7.1. 7.1 times 10 is 71. But then I also have the 10 to the 3rd. Well, when you times two numbers with the same base, their powers get added. So it's going to be 7.1 times 10 to the 4th power. And there we go. That's it. So that's been helpful. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And go check out my PDF guide, The 5 Math Mistakes Everyone Makes and How to Avoid Them. It's on my website, myersmathematics.com. Or you can email me if you're looking for math tutoring between Algebra 1 and Calc 3. All right, see you in the next video. Blessings.